Hello guys, welcome again sa BBTV. Patuloy tayo guys pagbibigay ng mga tutorial patungkol sa mga investment platforms guys. Alam ko guys na halos na burnout na tayo sa lahat ng mga ibang investment platforms na online. Pero ito ang bagong nakita ko guys, which is real. Hindi ito scam guys, kasi makita mo naman sa ano. At para maintindihan natin kung ano itong Stockfolio guys, proceed tayo mamaya. Okay, bago tayo mag-proceed guys, para sa mga bagong napunta sa channel ko guys, mangyari po lamang ay don't forget to click like, share at subscribe to, and pindutin nyo rin ang bell button para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong mga mapagkakakitaan guys. Alam kong lahat tayo ay naghahanap ng legit na mapag-investan online, kasi ito ang pinaka-in na kitaan ngayon guys. So itong Stockfolio ang nakita kong legit dahil ito ay real na platform wherein pwede ka mag-invest sa mga international mga stocks, mga CFDs at kung ano-ano pang mga cryptos, ganon. Para malaman niyo kung ano talaga guys, ito, panoorin natin na ang video ng company guys, at ito yung nandito. Okay, play natin ang Stockfolio videos.
Unveiling the future of trading. Hold on to your seats, folks, because today I'm bringing you something absolutely revolutionary. Ever felt that trading stocks, forex, or even cryptocurrencies is just too complex? Well, say goodbye to those worries, because Ken Morris has just unleashed Stockfolio, the future of trading. Meet Ken Morris. Ken Morris, a UK-based businessman and fintech visionary, has been passionate about AI and its potential to transform the financial world. With years of experience in the fintech industry, Ken's track record speaks for itself. But what really sets him apart is his commitment to making trading accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. So what exactly is Stockfolio? Imagine a platform that allows you to trade stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, blue chips, forex, and even cryptocurrencies, all powered by advanced AI algorithms designed to maximize your profitability. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is now a reality. AI-powered trading Stockfolio's AI isn't just smart, it's genius. It analyzes market trends, predicts future movements, and makes real-time trading decisions to boost your gains and minimize your losses. Essentially, it does all the heavy lifting for you. Ken Morris and his top-notch team of AI developers spent 12 months perfecting this platform, ensuring it's ready to revolutionize the trading world. Why choose Stockfolio? Simple. It's designed to help you achieve financial freedom without the steep learning curve or technical headaches. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete newbie, Stockfolio's intuitive interface makes it easy to get started and see results. Ken Morris believes that financial freedom should be within everyone's reach. He sees Stockfolio as the key to unlocking that potential for thousands, if not millions of people. With the platform now publicly available as of July 2024, there's never been a better time to dive into the world of trading. Start your journey. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? With Stockfolio, you've got a powerful ally by your side, guiding you every step of the way. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to trade smarter, not harder. Stay tuned for more updates and tips on how to make the most of Stockfolio. And remember, the future of trading is here, and it's called Stockfolio. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Okay guys, nakita nyo na ang yeah. So try natin get started. Okay, dito guys sa Stockfolio, kailangan nating mag-create ng account. Okay, by giving your email address, okay, giving your full name, password, confirm your password, at nandyan yung country mo, Philippines, okay, referral code, kung usually ma-access mo to guys via a referral link. Okay, magbibigay ako ng referral link dyan sa video description. Pwede kayong mag-sign up dyan guys, para maka-join dito. At hindi malaki ang capital dito guys, at wala kang gagawin. mag-deposit ka lang, nakita ko rito, $20 lang ang minimum deposit na gagawin mo at kikita ka guys ng 2 to 4% daily for 3 months. Okay? So, at ma-withdraw mo siya anytime. Okay? So, dito, click mo lang yung, once makita mo yung, click mo lang yung I agree for terms and conditions, and then click register. Once registered guys, pwede ka na mag-funding using USDT pa rin. So, but the good thing nito guys ay hindi ito katulad ng mga platforms ng mga companies, okay, na meron kang task na gagawin. Dito, wala kang task gagawin, mag-invest ka lang guys at ang pera mo ay tutubo ng mga 2 to 3% daily. Okay? So, daily, check mo lang yung account mo at makikita mo doon yung income daily. At kung meron ka ng enough income na nandun, pwede mo siyang ma-withdraw anytime. So, ito ang magandang investment platform na nakita ko guys. So, don't miss out to try this. $20 lang naman. At kung kikita ka niyan, so sa 2 to 4%, maglagay ka ng $20, kita mo rito will be $4 to $8 every day. Isn't it exciting? Ako na-excite dito guys. Kaya sa wakas nakita ko ng legit na company na UK based at I'm sure na tatagal ito guys because legit ito sila na trading company. Okay? So, dito lang ang video ko to guys dahil yung mga yung mga details kung paano to gawin, paano gan ibibigay ko sa next videos guys. Okay? So, good luck sa inyo at sana ito na nga ang hinahanap natin. So, see you at the top.